Hello, hello, hello. Oh, 12 by 12 layout. I've already backed my pictures because I got a little overzealous. This is that app I was telling you guys about, Time Hop. And I forgot to take the border out, so I'm going to have to figure that out in a minute. But I did back this with some foam tape to make one of the pictures pop up, which I don't know. I think it'll make a difference. But I had these stickers out, so my plan was to pop one of these in there. Yeah, it's not going to be long enough. What do we do now? Figure out how long we do need it, I imagine. Could have just used washi tape, I guess. Yeah, it's not too bad. And I just put something there to sort of it's not gonna come. Oh yeah, well. Yeah, the red don't look too bad, I guess. Alright, well, we'll see. Anyway. Cover her little face up. Oops. Hearts are coming off all over the place. Get up on there. I don't know about that red. How are you guys doing today? Happy July 4th. I hope all is well. Everybody dealing with the fireworks okay. I know they can be a little startling, or a lot startling, to certain people and certain animals, and I know that's always a worrisome time. This one's kind of see-through. Can't see that at all. Alright, okay, moving on. Sorry, was totally unprepared for this. Oh, I don't want to go gold because I am going to use these okay, that's good enough. I'm going to use these up. And you might think to yourself, oh my goodness, why on earth? But we'll see. Like Adele says, they can't all be your top 5 favorite. But this is from a paper pad. I have it out actually. Hold on. Pebbles. That's all it says. Garden Party. Pebbles Garden Party. And I have 14 sheets of paper left in it. So I am super duper excited. to almost have an empty paper pack, because I, in my 7, 8, 10 years of scrapbooking, have never, ever had an empty paper pack. Well, okay. I've had my 6x6 paper packs empty from like when I do my card kits, card things from the Stamps of Life. So that, but a 12x12 paper pack kit completely empty? Are you kidding me? I can almost not contain the excitement. Ah, go back here. Okay. I didn't press those down in case I've got to move them just a tiny smidge. No, no, no. This. But I didn't think about putting them on a doily. Okay. I guess they're down. That's fine. That's fine. And then I did go ahead and do my journaling card. This is just a citrus twist journaling card that I wanted to pop in to remind us that we had went to Tennessee to visit some family during Easter and had a good time. I am not doing a title. I did decide that. Oh, would that be adorable or not? That would go over my happy. Hey, 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 you calm yourself down. Did I tell you about these, you guys? I think I did. All my tags I made with the tag bunch, not builder punch. That's Stampin' Up, I think. Anyway, I got them because I think they'll fit perfect in the Pocket Life. Anyway. Alright, so I want to kind of keep this with silver, which is cool, but I mean, who does silver? People do. I do every once in a while. Hence today. But my go-to is gold. Now would be the time to get the bunnies on, I imagine. Oopsie, I tore the ears. Well, geez Louise, I got it going on today, y'all. They look too cute. Okay. I'm just using this Maggie Holmes book here. I guess I could use a title out of here, huh? I was going to put these up the side, but then I didn't want to cover up the butterflies. So I left it. I don't know. I know I'm struggling over here. Straight up struggling. Will these go? The blue would match in the shirt, would it? No, it would match the bucket. Do we want to get rid of 2 sticker sheets today? part up that you can't see anyway. Guys, can you see this? Gracious. Two sticker sheets? Oh my goodness. It's gonna be a good day. Come on, 2 sticker sheets. Where are you going? You going somewhere up on here today. He's so cute. Little face. These are kind of puffy. I don't know if I told you guys that or not, but I think this is going to be enough though, with all the flowers everywhere. I mean, it's an Easter layout, so it makes sense, but let me put these 2 together. Look at me. Oh, those were pebbles too. Huh. Cool beans. Look, you guys. Simple, easy layout. Not too much, not too much fuss. That's too bright, I think. Blue hearts aren't too bad. I think the pink ones are too much, but the green ones? Oh yeah, it matches that green. Okay. Yeah, that's cool. Alright. It's all right in the middle. What do you guys think? I don't know. Again, they're not always going to be your favorite. But I like that. Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm shaking. I haven't eaten today. I haven't even had my coffee. Oh, but I'm trying to cut back, you know, migraines and all that craziness. So I'm trying to see if that's it, if it's my contacts. Anyway, I don't know. I like it because it is busy, like right here, and not so much around the edges. I don't know, guys. Tell me what you think. I hope you guys have a great 4th. And I think I'm going to add this to my, oh, Go Saints album. And I think, because I have this many sheets left, but it's because I've been adding my Project Life in here. I don't know if I'm done yet, because I'm right at, like, I feel like this is capacity, but I don't know. So I'm going to add this page in. Oh, you guys just seen that one. And, well, actually, if I add that one, I'm going to need to add another one, ain't I? Okay, so maybe I'll do another one, and then I'll do an album flip through. I don't like album flip throughs, but I feel like people do, just so they can see, like, all your pages at one time. So I'm cool with that. Oh, excuse my trash. Anyway, Miss Jen, just so you can get a real quick look, this is what I'm working with here. It's a hot mess. That's if you stay this late, it's to watch the whole movie. That's my little craft area. Nothing, and now my laundry basket's normally over there, but I just started that, so my little snack. My daughter made that for me for Mother's Day. She made a little jar of Skittles, but yeah, just everything. And that's mostly all this stuff up here is my wedding album, which I got inspired last night to do, so I might bring all that stuff down. But oh my gosh, it's gonna take me 2 hours to dust it all off probably. So yeah, maybe I'll do a video on that actually, let you guys see like everything I have to do the album with. But that little box right there, the 340 box, is all pictures, straight up pictures. So But yeah, all that's, these two binders are all stamps. That's all just extra stuff. That's all scrap paper. This is just kind of like a memorabilia thing at this point for Saints card kits. These are all my stamps and dies. Yeah, paper, 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 paper. Yeah, you get it. You know, girl. You know. But yeah, that's it. That's what I got. That's what I'm working with. And then that's my little chair that my husband cuts the boys' hair in and everything. So, well, that was cute. Quick little scrap room haul or overview. Anyway, I hope you guys have a great 4th, and we'll see you next time. Bye.